Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome back to Rome Reviews. I'm Rome, and today I have in my replacement Pixel 9 Pro Fold. And I wanted to open it with you guys here on camera and, just share that with you guys. And also is an attempt to document what I get from out of the box, because I was in an extensive fight with Google support about getting this device replaced, because they kept trying to say that it was something that I caused and it wasn't covered by warranty. And I was like, well, I just had no proof to show that it was like that out of the box. So, lesson learned. So let's get into it. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but here's my batarang knife. The thing is crazy sharp. But yep, that's what we'll be using to open the box today. Remember, cut away from yourself if you can help it. Yep. Oh, I guess I'll show you guys the other side too. So opens up that side, opens up this side. Double knives. I don't know if there's a name for that, but yep, it's my batarang knife. And you see it right there, shaped like a batarang. Anyway, moving on. Let's take this bad boy out. I've been waiting to get this device back for so long. So let's see. There's the device. I don't think there's nothing else in there. Okay, let's get that out of the way. And here we are. So we'll go ahead and do what we did the last time. Peel the tabs on the back. And now you guys finally get to see an actual unboxing instead of a fake one like I normally do, because I'm so anxious to open the box. Anyway, let's see. Let's get the sleeve off. I had a little bit of trouble with that the first time as well. Get that off. Here we go. Front. See that over there. Let's actually move all this over here. Clean my desk off a little bit. And here is the phone again. And same as last time, USB-C to USB-C, documentation, SIM tool. And I think I am going to put my SIM card in this device this time. But anyway, let's do our peel. Let's take the paper off. Reveal the device. Here we are. I almost don't want to fold it, but the hinge looks so good until you start folding it over and over again. But there looks like there are no, I don't know if I can capture that at all. No bumps this time out of the box, from what I could tell. Yeah, feels very smooth this time. So, everything looks good so far. No complaints. Let's go ahead and get that first power on. I've been using other devices, so I always forget that Google puts their power button up top, as opposed to everybody else putting theirs down below on this side. Yep, there go that splash of Gemini right there. Okay. I'm glad to have this phone back. I actually kind of missed it when I didn't have it. I've been using my Vivo X Fold 3 Pro for a while, and I actually love that phone, but I am also a phone junkie, so I like having the ability to switch back and forth between devices as I see fit. When I miss features from another device, I'd like to be able to switch to it for a little while, get my fix. But here we are. So I'm going to do the initial setup of this device, and then we'll be back to see how things look once it's up. Actually, I changed my mind. I wanted to go through the setup process with you guys a little bit. I will be cutting here and there to, enter passwords and, things like that. So, yep. Checking for network info. No, network info should be found because I don't have my SIM card in this phone right now. All right, I'm gonna sign into my Google account. Set up SIM. Download eSIM. I'm not going to download the eSIM right now, although I will possibly be testing T-Mobile's network on this device in the future because AT&T does not provide 5G for this device because they're not selling it on their network. And I just don't know what that's about. Just because you're not selling the device doesn't mean that it shouldn't have 5G support. But anyway, let's move on. Skip that for now. Let's see what's next. Set up my PIN. One moment, y'all. Set up my fingerprint. Agree. Touch, 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 touch. Trying to touch it from as many angles as I can. There we go. Next, I'll do face unlock. Actually, let's show my ugly mug now. Guess I need to get closer. Move phone further away. Move phone higher. Oh, they have a very strict criteria. Okay. Skip lock screen. No. Use fingerprint or face. Yeah, why not? Copy data from another Android device. Goodness gracious. Device. And I'm going to do my 9 Pro Fold that I had previously. Confirm your other Google Pixel 9. Screen lock. I thought I was doing it. Oh, yeah. Okay. And put my code in. Photos, apps, messages, everything. I want it all. Location, allow scanning. I don't think so. Nope. Yep, turn it on. Do that. Use Gemini. Yeah, whatever. Let's turn it all on. Car crash detection. Turn it on. For now. All right. So I will skip for now. Identify music around you. Turn on. One of my favorite features. Let's see. No thanks. All right, guys. So here we are. We should be getting close to being at the home screen. So let's see how long that takes. I wish I had. You know what? I think I have it over here. Let's see. Just a little cheap stand I bought. Put my phones on. Oh, that leans way too far back. So, never mind on that. Actually, let's see this. Can I do that? Nope. I'm sad about it. I have nothing to hold my phones up like the nice, experienced phone reviewers have. Oh, I put my wallpaper and everything. That is cool. All right, guys. So we're back in business. Oh, Shane Craig did the Thinborn really fix their Pixel 9 Pro Fold Aramid fiber case? Okay, I'll watch that in a minute. Wallpaper Wednesday, more great phone wallpapers for all to share. Android Authority. Let's see what they got. Okay, nature related stuff. Okay. I prefer like really colorful wallpapers, as you can see from what I have on there now, but these are not bad. I like that one. That's not bad. Anyway, yep, we're back in business, guys. So I'm going to spend some time with this over the next few days. And then if I notice anything, I will get back with you guys and share it with you, okay? But for now, I'm out. Appreciate you checking in on me for this quick re-unboxing of the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, and I'll be back with more. Feel free to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All right, guys. Later.
Artlist.io